A key ally of Vice President Chiwenga is reportedly being targeted by intelligence operatives loyal to President Mnangagwa in what sources describe as an intensifying factional peg within ZANU-PF. Sanapenda mashoko buda pangwa ino yachonko kunzi aiwa masi IO pangwa ino auya pangwa ino achitomenda Chiwenga's ally. Sanapenda mashoko buda nyuko pana apa subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tivina mnomo buda nyuko mchinzi. Danimo Mampontiani, the ZANU-PF Youth League's Deputy Secretary for Administration, and son-in-law to former Zimbabwe National Army Commander Anselm Namosenyatwe, has found himself at the center of the storm. Last week, his liquor business, Madada Liquor, had all 7 of its Harare outlets abruptly shut down by the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority ZIMRA, reportedly with support from agents in the presidency department. The operation has been widely interpreted as politically motivated. Mampontiani, like his father-in-law Sanyatwe, is believed to be aligned with Chiwenga, who is expected to take over the presidency in 2028. The sudden closure of the outlets without the option to regularize operations, a standard part of ZIMRA's compliance processes, is fueled accusations of abuse of state institutions for internal party warfare. His fuel company Liquid Cargo previously survived a near closure after being accused of supplying contaminated fuel, accusations many dismissed as politically driven. According to Newsday, the raid is believed to be part of a broader campaign orchestrated by ZANU-PF members from Manicaland province, where loyalties to Mnangagwa reportedly run deep. The goal to weaken the influence of Sanyatwe and other figures seen as sympathetic to Chiwenga. ZIMRA spokesperson Gladman Njani, when asked about the involvement of Central Intelligence Organization operatives during the crackdown, declined to comment, citing confidentiality obligations. ZIMRA is bound to client confidentiality and cannot disclose specifics regarding any taxpayer, he said. Thomas Kwarumda Pangwa Inoi, Achonuka Kunz Iowa, Panema attacks are very strange and strong. Arukonuka Kunz Iowa, Ava Madualist AVP Kostano Chiwenga, Achonuka Pangwa Inoi, General Kutavarku gain massive support. Narudikana no muno wese pinako message mero zimafura emo tulipa msoro pichitiko each so subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.